Listen up. You think that sticky, sugary stuff in a plastic bottle is real barbecue sauce? Absolute rubbish. Today we're ending that nonsense. I'll show you how to make proper barbecue sauce from scratch. No more shortcuts. This is about real flavor, real ingredients, and real passion. I'm giving you 3 incredible, easy recipes: a classic smoky, a sweet and spicy, and a tangy mustard sauce. Are you ready to cook like a real chef? Good. Pay attention. Let's get to it. First up, we're diving into the classic smoky, the foundation of all great barbecue sauces. This is the sauce that brings backyard gatherings to life, the one that clings to ribs and chicken, infusing every bite with a deep, unforgettable flavor. Begin with a heavy-bottom saucepan. This helps distribute heat evenly and prevents scorching. Drop in a generous knob of unsalted butter and let it melt slowly, releasing a rich, creamy aroma that sets the stage for everything to come. Next, add finely diced yellow onion. Sweat the onions gently, stirring often, until they turn translucent and soft. You want them to melt into the sauce, building a subtle sweetness without any browning or bitterness. Stir in minced garlic and let it sizzle for just 30 seconds. This quick burst of heat unlocks its fragrance, but be careful not to let it burn. Burnt garlic can overpower the sauce. Now, add a generous helping of rich tomato puree. Stir it in and let it cook for a minute, deepening the color and concentrating the flavors. This forms the heart of your sauce, giving it body and a beautiful velvety texture. Pour in apple cider vinegar for a bright, tangy kick, then follow with dark brown sugar. The sugar brings a deep molasses sweetness that balances the acidity, creating that classic barbecue harmony. Add a splash of Worcestershire sauce for a hit of umami. This secret ingredient adds depth and complexity, making your sauce taste like it's been simmering for hours. Smoked paprika is next. Don't be shy. This is where the smoky character comes alive, infusing the sauce with a bold, earthy aroma that's unmistakably barbecue. Add a pinch of cayenne for gentle warmth. It won't make the sauce fiery, but it will give just enough heat to keep things interesting and make your taste buds tingle. For that unmistakable Texas aroma, add a touch of liquid smoke. Just a few drops are all you need to evoke memories of open flames and slow-cooked meats. Stir everything together and bring it to a gentle simmer. Watch as the sauce transforms, its color deepening to a rich mahogany. The kitchen will fill with an irresistible, mouth-watering scent. Reduce the heat, cover the pan partially, and let the sauce thicken for at least 30 minutes. This slow simmer is where the magic happens, allowing all the flavors to meld and intensify. Stir occasionally, treating the sauce with care and respect. Each stir helps prevent sticking and ensures a silky, even consistency. When the sauce coats the back of a spoon, you know it's ready. Thick, rich, and absolutely perfect for brushing, dipping, or drizzling. This isn't just a sauce, it's a masterpiece, crafted with patience and passion. Every spoonful tells a story of smoke, sweetness, and spice. You've just created a classic smoky barbecue sauce that any pitmaster would envy. Bold, beautiful, and ready to elevate your next cookout. Next up, we're diving into the sweet and spicy sauce, a true firecracker that's guaranteed to wake up your taste buds and add a bold twist to any barbecue. This sauce is all about balance, sweet, smoky, and just the right amount of heat. In a clean saucepan, start with a generous pour of good quality ketchup. This forms the rich, tangy base of our sauce, giving it that classic barbecue flavor we all crave. Next, drizzle in runny honey for a fragrant sweetness that will mellow out the heat and add a beautiful shine to the finished sauce. Stir in finely minced chipotle peppers in adobo. These bring a deep, smoky heat and a touch of earthiness, making every bite more complex and satisfying. Sprinkle in chili powder and red pepper flakes. This duo adds layers of spice, building a slow, satisfying warmth that lingers on the palate. For balance, splash in some rice wine vinegar. Its gentle acidity cuts through the sweetness, while a dash of soy sauce brings a savory, umami depth that ties everything together. Great in fresh garlic and ginger for a zesty lift. These aromatics add brightness and a subtle kick, making the sauce truly come alive. Add a tablespoon of dark molasses for depth and a hint of bittersweet complexity. It gives the sauce a glossy finish and a rich, lingering flavor. Stir everything together until the sauce is glossy, thick, and beautifully blended. Take your time here. This is where the magic happens. Let the sauce simmer gently for 20 to 30 minutes, stirring occasionally. This slow simmer allows all the flavors to meld, deepen, and develop a mouth-watering aroma that fills your kitchen. When you taste it, you'll notice the sweet honey and rich tomato up front, followed by a smoky building warmth from the chipotle and chili. Every spoonful is a journey of flavor. It's bold, exciting, and unapologetically delicious. Perfect for anyone who loves a sauce with personality. This sauce has attitude and a proper kick thanks to the layers of spice and smoky undertones. It's not just a condiment, it's the star of the show. Brush it generously over ribs, grilled chicken, or even roasted vegetables. It's perfect for those who want their barbecue to stand out and leave a lasting impression. With every bite, you'll taste the care and bold flavors you've built. You've just made a sauce that's not only dangerously good, it's unforgettable. Now, let's take a flavorful detour, introducing the Tangy Mustard Barbecue Sauce, a vibrant creation inspired by the legendary barbecue traditions of the Carolinas. This sauce is a celebration of bold flavors and golden hues, perfect for those who crave something a little different from the usual tomato-based barbecue. Begin with a generous pour of classic yellow American mustard into your saucepan. Its bright color and sharp tang form the backbone of this unique sauce. Next, drizzle in some honey and spoon in dark brown sugar. These sweeteners balance the mustard's bite, adding a rich mellow sweetness that rounds out the flavor. Pour in a generous splash of apple cider vinegar. This not only brings a sharp, fruity tang but also helps to cut through the richness, giving the sauce its signature zing. Sprinkle in coarsely ground black pepper and just a pinch of cayenne. These spices add warmth and a subtle heat, making every bite more exciting. Stir in a few tablespoons of ketchup. This not only gives the sauce a bit more body, but also introduces a gentle, familiar sweetness that ties everything together. Add a few dashes of Worcestershire sauce for savory depth, and don't forget a pinch of salt to enhance all the flavors. Whisk the mixture thoroughly until it's smooth, glossy, and beautifully unified. Take a moment to appreciate the transformation as the ingredients meld together. Place the saucepan over medium heat and bring the sauce to a gentle simmer, whisking constantly to prevent sticking and ensure a silky texture. Once it starts bubbling, reduce the heat and let it simmer for 20 to 30 minutes. This slow simmer allows the flavors to deepen and the sauce to thicken just right. As it cooks, the sauce will mellow and become cohesive, developing a rich, unified character that's both tangy and smooth. The finished sauce should be a bit thinner than your typical barbecue sauce, ideal for mopping onto smoked meats or drizzling over grilled favorites. When you taste it, you'll notice layers of tang, sweetness, gentle heat, and a complexity that lingers on the palate. This sauce is bold, different, and absolutely brilliant, a true standout at any barbecue table. With just a few simple steps, you've crafted a southern classic that's sure to impress friends and family alike. There you have it, 3 stunning barbecue sauces, no more excuses. You've got the knowledge and the recipes. Get in the kitchen, make them all, and find your favorite. Put your own spin on it, add heat, change the spice, make it yours. Master these, and you'll be a barbecue legend. Now get cooking, and show your guests what real barbecue sauce tastes like.